Welcome to our Polytunnel Diaries, where we show you what is growing and what is not growing in here. As you all know, we have done a polytunnel transformation over the winter, and we have put raised beds in here, we've put hanging baskets in here with strawberries, and yeah, we're going to use it to its full potential and grow as much as possible. As yesterday it got to 30 degrees in here, and we're only still in March, so I'm hoping for great harvests and great produce growing in here. And it'll be the first time that I grow throughout the winter period, and hopefully get some crops all year round growing in here, which I've never done before, so it's all a learning curve to me. And we want to do plenty of successional growing so that we're getting harvests all the time and throughout the year. So less of the talking and let's have a tour of what's growing on. So these are my Oakland strawberry hanging baskets. As you can see, they're like planted up and you can get them all going around the edge. We've got 3 in the top and we've got 12 around the planter. And we've got 14 of those hung up, absolutely loads. So fingers crossed, we get a lot of strawberries this year. And I'll tell you a bit more about these in our weekly strawberry update, so stay tuned for that. So we have got 15 raised beds in the polytunnel altogether. Absolutely loads of compost in them. It took a lot to fill them all, but we got there. And down the back, I planted all my peas. We've planted 800 peas. We've done them down this side and we've done them down the other side of the polytunnel as well. Now, hopefully those will be ready to harvest just as I'm planting my tomatoes. So we'll put the tomatoes towards the back once they're fully grown. And yeah, we'll have netting up towards the back of it so that they can grow up and cling on, and obviously that'll be good for the tomatoes as well when we're fastening those up. So we've still got stuff to plant in front of this one. We have planted in this one pak choy, so we've got some pak choy, nothing sprouting yet, stuff's been in about a week, but it's going to get up to about 16 to 19 degrees on Wednesday, so hopefully this will speed up germination. We've given them a good watering today, so hopefully that will help them. We've got radishes in this one, so hopefully we get some nice radishes. Radishes are the fastest growing vegetable, so they shouldn't take too long to grow. In this one, we've got more radishes, so we're going to have a lot of radishes. That's the plan. And in this one, we have got spinach. So I'm looking forward to that. We might grow it pretty small and then just keep snipping it off as and when we need it. Then we've got all the middle ones, which we've filled them all up. We've got carrots in this one. So I'm looking forward to hopefully getting some great carrots. In this one, we've got some spring onions. Absolutely loads of spring onions, so that should be good. In this one, we've got beetroot. In this one, we've got lettuce mixed leaves, as I do like mixed leaf lettuce. In this one, it's not a poppy, we've got some normal lettuce, so that should be good. In this one, we've got iceberg lettuce. I love an iceberg lettuce. And like I said, we've got peas all the way down the back as well. We've still got to plant stuff in the front of these 3. So we've got that to do. So yeah, they're coming on. We've got our sweet peas growing in as Oakland root trainers. They're coming on really well. We need to get those pinched out. We've got our potatoes chitting along. They look absolutely fantastic. And getting ready to plant on Good Friday. And in here we've got all as onions, which are growing well as well. It's hard to see through the steam, but they're all shooting up and looking pretty good in there. So we'll be planting those at the end of March. We've planted them in cell trays so that they get strong and give them a head start. So that was our polytunnel update. I hope you've enjoyed it, and give us a follow to stay up to date with these polytunnel updates. We do them every week so that you can follow along and see what's growing along and join in as well. So hit that follow button. Until next time, everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.